Welcome to J&J's test video for 9573. It's an 89 Corvette. Been repainted, L98 automatic. Has some little boo-boos over the years. Hood's been repaired, hit here and there, but sounds fairly healthy. Doesn't have any mufflers on it or anything. 109,000 miles. Oh, gotta open it from that side. I won't take it all the way out that way, don't lock. Interior's not too bad. Just old Corvette. Cluster will be for sale. We'll just sell it for repair. This console, let's see if I can get anything to light up. I don't think it is. Nope. Radio does work.
Nutrients come from agriculture.
Heater controls. Let's see if I can get it to do anything. All them buttons are sticky. Give me a little error code. I wonder if the module's bad. Alright, I'll show you the seats work real quick. It actually goes up. Alright, I'll show you that one works. Alright, let's check if the windows. That window works. That window works. That's that. Let's see how it moves. That transmission, woo. That transmission feels like it's got a shift kit back in. It wants to go. Oh yeah, this thing runs good. Yeah, 109, 123. Not a bad car. Wants to blow them tires off in the gravel all the time. Alright. That's it. Nothing really else. The roof's got all that old Lexan cracking. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but good old Corvettes. Alright. That's it. And as always, oh man, these things are a pain. Have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank you.